Factoring turns your unpaid B2B invoices into cash with a simple 4-step process. 1. Complete work as usual and invoice your client. 2. Send the invoice to your factoring company. 3. Receive most of invoice's value from the factoring company immediately. 4. Receive the remaining sum minus a small factoring fee when your client pays. Be on the lookout for the following terms in your factoring agreement. Advance rate, the upfront cash you receive when you submit your invoice. Factoring fee, the charge for factoring an invoice. To get the most out of your factoring agreement, watch for volume minimums that can increase your expenses. Compare fees to ensure you're getting competitive rates. Ensure your factoring company will provide payments quickly. Work with an industry specialist that provides tailored funding to your needs. Viva Capital has expertise and tailored programs across a wide variety of industries. Request a free rate quote to learn more.